Hi, this is Absolut Drinks and I'm Rico. Today we're gonna make It's Not Terry's.
Okay, so we're gonna make a warm hot drink now for the holidays, an alcoholic hot chocolate. So, we're gonna get a pan, medium high, and then we wanna put about 100 mils of whole milk into the pan. Next, we want some heavy cream. We're gonna put 45 mil. It's gonna give it a lot more body. We're gonna take our beautiful citrus fruit. We're gonna get one big zest. Don't worry about the shape. Let's get plenty of orange oils in there. Throw that in. And last but not least, some good chocolate. You want like 80% cocoa solids in here. That's it. Now we're just gonna sit back, wait for like 5 minutes while this melts and infuses. Good chocolate, good milk, and a good pan. You can already see it starting to steam. Just want to keep it moving so the chocolate or the milk doesn't burn. There we go. Just got a little bit of bubbling going on. We're gonna keep that to one side. First thing we're gonna add is some simple syrup at a ratio of 1:1. We're gonna want to add 10 mils per drink. Next up, Absolut Mandrin, 25 mils per drink. Going straight in. And next up, we want some nice French orange liqueur. We want 20 mils per drink. This is gonna give you all your Christmassy, orangey flavors. Get a nice little toddy glass. And then, just to garnish, a little bit of orange. Do one little orange disc, zest, and place right on top. And there you go.
It's not Terry's, it's Rico's. Woo! Yo, that's powerful. That is a powerful drink. Ooh, delish. Yes.